2, 3! Sounds of the game are brought to you by the all-new Ford Super Duty.
Nothing really better than football in November.
Let's go!
Wait, I just go tomorrow, man! Oh, yeah. Believe! Wait, I just go tomorrow! Period, that's the victory! Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3, go!
He coming this way. O-line sliding this way. Good job, T. You're gonna need that the whole game now.
Defense is doing a great job for us. We gotta get in the zone now, bro. Damn. Come on, man. We gotta damn run the ball in the red zone, bro.
That was my man. So I know you coming. I'm going. You know what I'm saying? Oh, hell no. Hell no. He bobbled. He bobbled. Come on, man. He bobbled the damn